What does that even mean? You're booted.
6 for 6.
Where's that from? I don't. Stop yelling at me.
Branick.
Yo, I got a huge ass teddy bear sitting on my bed. It says Jason Brown all over it. Come over and make love.
Ridiculous.
No.
Wow, why did you? Yes, that was recorded. You could have Jay Brown.
I will.
You could Josh. Or Tilton.
Use his Vex.
I'll take everybody.
At the same, yeah.
No.
Jay.
No.
Jay.
No.
Who do you want?
I can't choose.
I can buy you a whole Applebee's.
I can't.
Yeah, but you won't. So.
These 3.
Okay, returning
Or this, this, and this.
No, but you won't.
Set. Here you go.
That would have come in handy.
You have. Dude, don't go.
Swing. And that's game.
Clear. OTK, son. OTK. Liar.
Drop.
One more.
Awkward moments when you didn't get what you wanted.
You're full of burial.
Yeah, it's getting banned. You hear that, YouTube? It's getting banned. Ow! God damn it, why do I keep doing this to myself?
Oh, yeah? Okay.
It's right in the lips, Sludge.
Oh, dear.
Awkward. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What was that? Oh my god. If I had this deck, I would not be playing like that.
That's true. I messed up. I messed up. It's okay.
Chain it. Chain it.
To what?
The summon. That one right there.
Here you go.
Oh, Thunder King.
Common Volt.
Oh, well.
You were not accounting for that one.
I wasn't.
You did not see that one happening. So high could not Z 8 off. I mean 8 off. I feel like you're overextending right now, man. You need to calm down. Look at you're about at like a 12. You need to come down to like a 7. Stars. So go for Black Rose, blow up his field, and your field. You imagine how much money Black Rose would be if it just blew up your opponent's field. Oh wait, it'd be banned.
Probably.
It'd be harder to come out than 7. Sure.
Awkward. Chain. Oh,
there's no
stop
point.
chaining. Oh my god, I need this.
He's getting everything he needs. Sure.
17.
Sure.
You got this, Jay. Don't worry.
Actually,
Come on, come on, come on. What? Oh, okay.
actually, haven't.
Oh no, he has you locked. Oh, that's a
Like I said, he got everything he needs.